everyone. So today we are going to discuss the concept of either. What we have to discuss? The concept of either. As you know that what is either? Do you know that? What is the meaning of either? Let's discuss. Either दो में से कोई एक, दोनों में से कोई एक. either का यूज, either का प्रयोग हम दोनों में से किसी एक के लिए करते हैं. ठीक है, either का प्रयोग हम दोनों में से किसी एक के लिए करते हैं. तो हम लोग आपके कंफ्यूजन को कि आइदर होता क्या है, आइदर को कैसे समझे आसानी से. विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जांपल वी कैन क्लियर ऑल ऑफ कंफ्यूजन, ऑल द कंफ्यूजन. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव टू द एग्जांपल. आइदर ऑफ द टू स्कूल्स इज गुड. आइदर ऑफ द टू स्कूल्स इज गुड मतलब दोनों में से कोई एक स्कूल, एक विद्यालय जो है अच्छा है. चलिए अगला एग्जांपल देखते हैं. Either of the two girls is talking. Either of the two girls is talking. दोनों में से कोई एक लड़की बात कर रही है. So this is the example. I hope you all concepts are clear. So let's move to another example. Either of the three girls. Is it correct or not? Three girls. No, it's wrong. It's wrong because we are talking about two people. In this question, in this topic, in this concept only. So we have to take a two-person example, okay? So this is three girls. It's absolutely wrong. Our next example is either of the two girl. Either of the two girl. It is correct or not? It is wrong or right? Tell me. It is wrong because in the case of either we have to use the plural noun. But this girl is singular because there is no using of s. If the girls is written here, अगर यहाँ पे girls लिखा रहता तो ये सही होता, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? two girl. तो उसी के वजह से ये सेंटेंस जो है गलत है. Either of the two girl is wrong. Next, either of the two girls are. It is correct or not? Either of the two girls are. It is wrong. Because in this sentence we are using the plural. After that we have to use is, because after that plural we have to use is, not are. So are is also plural form, so we have to use is. अगर इस सेंटेंस में is रहता तो ये सेंटेंस सही होता, लेकिन are की वजह से ये सेंटेंस गलत हो गया है. Either of the two girls are. ये गलत. So I hope your all confusions are clear to see this concepts only. So if you like this video, kindly like, subscribe and share.